Well, this isn't really what I wanted for this car. We have her resting here outside because I've decided to go to a different demolition derby. I'm still hopefully going to make it to Meltdown, but we got a lot of other stuff to build and get ready for. So let's do a final talk about this thing, and you guys can take a look at it because kind of excited for it, kind of nervous. And because I posted some of the videos about it, I've been getting a lot of messages saying I'm not going to pass the rules, and we'll have to see. I think that's going to be the hardest part of Meltdown. Meeting everybody there is always nice. Eating the bloomin' onions is pretty cool. Drinking the Busch Light apples is pretty cool. Passing tech, that's the hard thing. So let's go look at this car. So we got it outside here. We got it all quickly tarped up. We ended up rolling the doors, welding the doors shut. We got the cage, all the bolts finished up. We got the electrical system all buttoned up. We have an issue with it. The starter's kind of bad. I don't know the best way to word this, but to change the starter, we kind of have to take the motor out of the engine cradle, which means we have to pull the axles and lift the motor up and then cut a piece off and then lift it up and then pull the engine out of the cradle. And then we're going to take our chances with a bad starter. I think I might have a spring and a hammer and a rope hooked up just to make it have a good time. Yay. But I don't think we're going to be running these tires. I think we're going to try to run these tires one more time in Ontario. I think I'm going to run new tires on this car. So we're probably going to have to break down different tires and do some swapping around. I would like really nice, really aggressive tires on this car for the US. And yeah, that's my plans for this. Bumper's done, hood is on, folded up, but now we've got it parked in the bushes here. Let's get her out of a little bit of hibernation here for you. When spring comes here in Canada, it comes with a vengeance. It's been raining almost non-stop for almost 2 weeks. You guys want to hear it run? Oh, I gotta hook up the fuel. This is looking really bad. There we go. There we go. It's definitely not liking the wet. It's been sitting out here for about 2 weeks now, and it has done nothing but rain in 2 goddamn weeks. Let's go take a look. So we got the hood on and we got it cut out. The only thing we don't have an idea to be done yet is how the hood's going to react with the bumper, because the hood sticks almost a foot over the front of the bumper. We have all the motor mounts on. We got the header protectors on. Wow, those heat up quick because that's already hot. We got our home built strut risers installed in the front of this thing. So now it's actually looking a lot taller. So I'm not really worried about how low the front end was anymore, but I think this thing looks mean. We got some custom door wraps made for it, but I don't think we're gonna put them on until we cross the border because the border might not like the name of this car. So we got some very custom door wraps made for it. We're gonna be installing them in the US. We are gonna paint this thing before we head down. I'm not really sure what color we're gonna paint it yet. It might just be the old razzly-dazzled, throw colors at it and call it a day. But I don't know. I think tech is gonna be the hardest thing for me at Meltdown. From some of the messages I'm getting, it's gonna be difficult. But until then, she's sitting out here in Mother Nature, waiting for it to meet its day. So the build for this car was very quick. It is May 27th, I think. and we started this car in April. So pretty much done this all by myself. Eddie did help me a bit, but realistically, guys, this is a pretty insanely fast turnaround with working as much as I was working, and very pleased with it. And gonna cross these fingers, and hopefully I can pass Meltdown rules. I think I can. I really do think I can. But any of you guys looking to meet me at Meltdown, I'll be there. And I'd love to shake your hands. I'm gonna have shirts and everything available, some stickers. So if you guys want some, make sure you come and get some and unbuy them off me. And I'm hoping to have a great weekend, meet a lot of you guys. It's been a while since I've seen some of you guys, and going down to the swap meet in New York was amazing. Got to see so many of my friends, and now I get to see you again at Meltdown. So let's get this thing covered back up and put back into storage. So remember, guys, just put your mind to it, and you guys can do pretty much anything you want. This Meltdown car, I didn't think I was gonna be able to get it done, but honestly, I was able to get it done. Compared to the car I took last year, this thing has a whole bunch of crazy things done to it, but I think last year's car, or 2 years ago car, when I got 4th overall, was actually a much cleaner, much more stereotypical Camry build. And what I mean by that is, I've done enough of these Camrys that I know what you gotta do to make them competitive. These new Camrys, I got no idea what I'm doing. So we're just gonna kind of wing it with this one, but this one here was done in a record time, and we're actually ready before Meltdown, which is kind of damn well nice. The only thing that we don't have is repair plates on it, but we're gonna get some, and we're definitely gonna get some. But I can't wait. Hopefully you guys see me there at Meltdown, and very excited. So take care, guys, and we'll see you here back later on Zach's workshop. Take care. We got little things to do, like repair plates, paint, door wraps, different tires, and we are off to America, the land of bald eagles and heavy hits. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's workshop.